I'm really excited to talk to you today about everyday superfoods with my lovely guest, Manos Dimitroulis, who is one of the best-known nutritionists in Athens and also a food blogger. I read your blog, Diet Stories.
Yeah, Diet Stories.
So we're going to cook some healthy, delicious recipes for you.
For today, I will prepare for you black-eyed peas. We will boil them first for 10 minutes. We will strain them and use vegetable stock. We do that in order to keep the shape of the black-eyed peas better, but we also do it in order to make them more easily digestible. Because when you change water in legumes, and generally you lose some of the fiber, and then they become more easily digestible.
Okay. They keep better color that way too, right?
Of course.
What can I help you with here?
So we will make one sauce here, one dressing. We will use the juice of the tangerines. Let's go and peel these tangerines, and then we will cut them in nice small cubes. We will do the same with the figs, and the same goes with the walnuts.
Okay, great. Is there a difference between using tangerines or oranges or lemons? Or
the main difference is in the sugar they contain. We know that lemons are really low in sugar. Let's say that 2 tangerines like this contain all the vitamin C you need in a day.
We're using some interesting ingredients in the salad, figs and raisins and walnuts. These are not typically associated with, foods that people eat when they want to lose a little weight.
What I'm trying to do with my work at Diet Stories is to convince people that you don't have to eat just chicken and vegetables when you want to lose weight. You can do an amazing variety of recipes, and that's what we are doing right now. We have figs, we have walnuts. So let's move on with our tangerines.
We have, in the Mediterranean, the diet is so naturally so healthy. They don't think about this as a superfood.
Yeah, because it's everyday food, and that's
because it's everyday food.
Yeah, exactly. So let's cut this in pieces.
Okay. How many portions will this end up being?
4.
Oh, this will be 4 portions. Okay.
Of approximately 400 kilocalories, which makes the recipe ideal for people that are trying to lose weight.
How are the beans doing?
I think with 10 minutes past, we should strain them. So after we have strained them, let's use the vegetable stock in order to boil them for 25 more minutes.
I do the same thing, and they retain their light color. Let me turn this on. Why are beans considered a superfood?
They're excellent source of protein because they have more than 7 grams of protein per half cup. So if you eat 1.5 cup, you get more than 20 grams of protein. They also have iron, and in order to absorb the iron better, as many people know, we use vitamin C. When they exist in the same meal, fiber and vitamin C, the absorption of iron is much better. So let's make the sauce.
Let's make the sauce. You need an immersion blender, right?
Yes,
I have one right here.
Exactly.
What is a superfood? It's something that's just nutritionally dense, like packs a lot of power in a small amount.
That's how superfood is considered, and different countries have different superfoods. When you are in Greece, you don't have to use quinoa or blackberries as your superfood. You can use your food like figs, like walnuts, like honey. It's rich in sugars, we know that, but it's very, very rich in iron as well. And
honey is rich in iron?
Yes, and it helps the absorption as well. So let's pour this here.
So this is the tangerine juice.
Exactly. From approximately 2 tangerines.
Okay.
Then we'll use a little bit of balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
We will use some of the honey here.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the darker the honey, the more minerally it is, the more rich in minerals.
And we like the thickness in the honey. It shows a good honey.
And this
not
is
processed.
This is turmeric.
Turmeric, exactly.
Why is turmeric this hot new? People are obsessed with turmeric.
It's full of antioxidant, and it's very, very good preventing cancer and other diseases. So we really love to use it in our dishes, and many scientific facts show that when you absorb it from food, it's much better than absorbing it from supplements.
A little black pepper.
Exactly.
And I gave you my good sea salt there.
Amazing, amazing. And a little bit of mustard.
Is salt a superfood?
The bad thing about salt is that it is in almost every processed food. We don't need that kind of salt. We prefer sea salt. Salt is a mean to add flavor to everything. Are we
what
ready
about
to?
olive oil? To me,
Ah, yes, it's olive oil. I forgot.
the superfood.
Okay, I am a little bit stingy with olive oil because it's full of calories. It is a Greek superfood, but we have to use 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil per day. You don't need more than that. So let's add a little bit of olive oil. There you go.
So your little bit and my little bit are very different.
Our dressing is ready.
Okay.
Simple as that. Diane, I think we're ready.
So
You
they've
see?
absorbed all the broth.
Yes, we put the exact amount of vegetable stock, so we don't need to remove any of the liquid. It's all absorbed.
Okay.
Let's go. Ah, nice.
So I'm adding the tangerines.
Perfect.
That's beautiful colors.
Walnuts, everything goes in.
Okay, the walnuts,
Exactly. Figs.
figs.
And the raisins. They are the Greek cranberries.
They are filled with iron.
Yes, exactly, exactly. Let's put the scallions in, yeah? And some of the thyme.
And why are herbs important? Are herbs superfoods?
Okay, they contain a really a small amount of antioxidants. They are not so important. They are important for flavor, though.
Yes.
Okay. Let's put the sauce as well, and we keep a little bit of the dressing for plating, but most of the sauce goes in. Okay.
And I can just mix?
Let's mix now. Yeah. So we have all the Greek superfoods in one plate. You see?
Okay, this looks really great.
Yeah. So we can go ahead and serve.
I really can't wait to taste this.
Me too.
It looks really healthy, but it also looks really vibrant.
And delicious, yeah. Thank you.
This is healthy, plant-based, beautiful colors. Let's taste it. I'm impressed. It's delicious.
And very, very healthy and really low in calories, huh?
From sort of an aesthetic, culinary point of view, having different textures in a dish makes it interesting. And also different, there's a lot of different complex flavors going on in here too. The beans are super earthy. You get the acid from the balsamic vinegar. I can definitely taste the turmeric. But what's the most startling is the tangerine, the flavor of the tangerine.
And it goes great with the figs and with the raisin. It works really great.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Yeah.